Hello kids, today we will read lesson number 22, The World in My Home. In this chapter, we see some situations that we face in our daily life. These often affect us in different ways. So let's begin the chapter. First is tug of war. Once again, everybody in Marita's family is quarreling over watching the TV just like they do every day. So, let's see what happened. Her brother likes to watch cricket. Suzanne watches songs. Mummy watches news. Marita likes to watch cartoons and Dad likes football matches. He says that he can watch only in the evening. So, finally, everyone had to watch the football match. Well, children, in your home too, do people quarrel over fans, TV, newspapers, chairs or anything else? Yes, in our family also, we always face these small conflicts, small quarrels over small things. So now let's discuss another situation, this why the difference, why there is always difference that there should be different rules for girls and different rules for boys. So let's see. Pratibha is hurrying home from her friend's house. Her brothers Sandeep and Sanjay are busy playing round the corner with their friends. They are in no hurry to go home even if they are late. Nobody will scold them. Pratibha thinks that this is not fair. Boys can play late in the evening, but girls are not allowed to outside the house late in the evening. Do you agree? Why there is one rule for boys and other for girls? Why it is not same for both? Boys and girls are the same. They should have the same set of rules. Now let's see the another situation. Well, honesty is the best policy as we have discussed, as we have already knew it. To be truthful in what you do and say. So let's see what Pillow Auntie does. Here it is a situation when Pillow Auntie took Pahali, Nazo and their friends to the beach. What a good time they had. They played in sand and water and then for a ride on the giant wheel. After that, they ate bhel puri, bought balloons, then everybody enjoyed icy cold kulfi. When the kulfi seller asked for the money, he made a mistake. He charged for 5 kulfis instead of 7. The children thought, hurrah, we have saved money, but Pillow Auntie paid the money for 7 kulfis to the kulfi seller. Well, the children will always remember what Pillow Auntie did that day, right? You will also remember good things throughout our life. So this is the honesty of Pillow Auntie that she showed in front of the children, that we should be always honest to everyone. Now let's see another situation. What should I do? Here, Akshay loves his grandmother very much. She loves him too very much. But Anil is Akshay's friend. His grandmother likes Anil too. But one thing, she always tell Akshay that you should never have or anything drink at Anil's house. Not even a glass of water. Now Akshay is very confused that what he has to do. Now let's discuss the another situation. This is the situation of Dhondu. Who will decide and who will do for Dhondu? Dhondu comes from a very large family. His elder uncle looks after the family, their fields, money matter, etc. He decides about all the small and big things for the family. Dhondu has always worked in the fields, but now he wants to do something different to earn money. So he would like to borrow some money from a bank and buy a chakki machine to grind grain. There is no such machine in their village. So Dhondu is very confident that this new work will help him to earn more money for his family. So his father has agreed to let him try the new work. But his elder uncle is not agreeing to this. So let's see what happened with the Dhondu. Now come to the last situation of this chapter, that is I don't like it. This situation is based on good touch and bad touch. See what happened. Meena and Ritu were going home after playing hopscotch. Come on, come to my house, pleaded Meena, pulling Ritu by the hand. So Ritu asked, is your uncle at home? If he is, I will not come. Ritu answered ki if your uncle is at home, but then I will not come to your place. Meena replied, why do you say that? Uncle likes you so much. He was saying, bring your friend Ritu home and I will give both of you lots of chocolates. Ritu pulled her hand away from Meena, saying, I'm scared of your uncle. I don't like it when he even touches my hand. Saying this, Ritu went home. So, these are the situations that we face daily in our life. So just go through this chapter carefully, children. Read the chapter carefully and underline the difficult words. Okay, thank you so much. Take care.